Hi viewers, welcome to Techie Track YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about data abstraction in OOPS concept. So OOPS means object oriented programming system. It's having various concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Today we are going to discuss about abstraction. So what is meaning of abstract? So abstract means it's a collection, right? So collectively we need to showcase something. So in abstraction concept, we need to show the essential information and hide the unwanted information. So how we can do that? So what I thought in my earlier video, I put the abstraction in the detailed way. But what I suggest, few students like school-going students and college-going students are wants the very detailed and easy way to understand about the OOPS concept. So that's the thing, I put this video with certain colorful items. Okay, so before we move on to the data abstraction, I will tell one a simple story. So when I was a kid, so I got 10 rupees from my mom, and she gave it to me and asked me to whatever I want that I can purchase the items. So I happily went to the shops and purchased a lot of items like biscuits, fruits and candies. So peanut candy and jelly candies and orange and whatever candies are there, I purchased in that particular petty shop. And biscuits also, various items are there. So these are all called, these food items are called, we can say it as a data. Okay, so all the data are having a certain similarities, like fruits and candies and biscuits are having the certain similarities. So once I bought that, I just categorized those things. So candies, I just listed out the candies, and biscuits and fruits separately. So in the same way, various data are there. So we need to abstract the data. So what are all the information we want, that we can just showcase it, and what are all the information we can hide it. Okay. So in these candies and biscuits, the common thing is its taste and its size and color. But if anybody asking about the taste of the candy, how is the candy, means we are going to say about the taste and the flavor and other things. We are not going to say about the what are all the ingredients and who is the manufacturer. Those details we don't want to share with them, right? So in the same way, if you are going to create a class and if you are going to implement the abstraction concept, we need to we need to share the necessary information to the another classes. You don't want to share the unnecessary information, right? And that is the common sense of the human being, right? In the same way we are going to do it in the abstraction concept. Okay, so we can take the above example. So where I bought all these items, like petty shop. So I just create a class name called petty shop. I put the keyword as abstract. So the class is a abstract class. So inside the class I am declaring four methods: set items, set price, set quantity and set rate. Those four items are abstract methods. Okay, so the four declaration lines are abstract methods. So the abstract class contains both abstract method and non-abstract method. Okay, okay, and this abstract class is having the method declaration only. That means I just create the method return types and abstract and method name only. I'm not giving the class body and method body. Okay, because in the abstract class, the abstract method, we cannot return, we should not return the method body. Okay, so we should not define the methods. Then how can I return the method body and how can I define the methods? Then you need to extend this class. Okay, in the next slide, if you see that abstract class petty shop is getting extended in the fruits class. It means the petty shop is having all the items, right? Candies, biscuits and fruits. In the same way, the petty shop class abstract class contains the basic methods like set items, set price, set quantity and set rate. So we bought three types of items: fruits, candies and biscuits. In the same way, I just creating a two different types of classes. One is for fruits and another one for biscuits and candies. Okay, and I'm going to extend the methods inside the class. The class contains four methods, right? Four declaration methods are there. So I'm going to define that four declaration method in the child classes, because the petty shop is the abstract class and it is used by the fruits class. Though, so the petty shop is like a parent class and fruits is like a child class. So we are extending that. Extends means we can use the methods inside the abstract class. So in this fruits class, I'm going to get the information from the user. So that's the reason I just put the scanner. Scanner is one of the Java's inbuilt library in the line number 4. I just mentioned that. So what I'm going that first of all the user needs to give the fruit name, and they need to give the fruit price and quantity. Then it will automatically calculate the rate and return to the output of the class. Okay. In the same way, the next class is there. The class name is called Candies Biscuits, and it is extending the same petty shop class. Again, the scanner is there. Three items are there like price, quantity and rate. So again, the four methods are getting extended here. Okay. So the four abstract methods are getting extended here, and so that's the reason this child class is having set items of string name and set price and set quantity and set rate. Okay, how can I use this class? How can I execute this class? I'm going to create a new class called test abstract. So inside that I'm creating a public static void main method. So I already explained about that what is the purpose of a static void main method, where we need to use that. I informed about in the first video, so you can just go through that. So here what I'm going to do that I'm going to call the methods inside the child class, because I already told we cannot call the abstract methods from the abstract class. What is the abstract class name? If you see the line number 4, petty shop is the abstract class name. So I just declare the object name called obj. But while initializing the class, I just give it as obj is equal to new fruits. I just give that because fruits is a child class. I should not give it like new space petty shop, because I should not create the object for a abstract class. I need to create the object for the child class only. So in line number 5, I just declare the local variables and create another one variable in the line number 6. In the line number 6, I just put that obj dot set items. So what it will do, the obj is equal to new fruits, right? Then what the object will do, the object will go to the fruits class and it will call the method name called set items. Okay, I will go to the fruits class. So it will come to the line number 7 and it will execute the first line, system output of fruit name. You need to give the fruit name. Okay, then it will return the whatever the input you give, that it will return to the test class. It will be assigned to the str items variable. And next one is obj.setPrice. Again it will go to the fruits class and it will execute the line number 13 to 17. So it will get the fruit price from you. So you need to give the input. The input will be the number and it will be assigned to the local variable called price. And again it will call the set quantity. In the same way it will go to the fruits class. From line number 19 to 23 it will be getting executed. And next thing is obj.setRate. What it will do, you already have the quantity and price, right? Then the set rate, what it will do, rate is equal to, in line number 26, rate is equal to price into quantity. It will calculate the rate and it will return the rate to the test class and it will be assigned to the line number 9. Rate is equal to that, what is the value it's calculated. So in line number 11 and 12, what it will do, it will just simply print the fruit name. What is the name, you type that and it will print the price, quantity and rate. In the same way, I am going to create another one object. So this object for the next child class, that candies and biscuits, right? So again I just declare it for the petty shop obj cb. So obj cb is the object name, petty shop is the abstract class name. is equal to new of the child class Candice biscuits. In the same way, I just call that obj.setItems. What it will do, it will go to the Candice biscuits class. So it will be getting execute the set items, set price, set quantity and set rate. And in line number 20 to 21, it will print all the items and it will be printing the calculated values also. Okay. So I think you will get the idea about this abstract class and how we can apply that, right? This is a simple theory, like class declared as abstract is known as a abstract class. We already saw that. If the abstract class having both abstract and non-abstract methods. So that class needs to be extended and its method implemented. So if you are declaring the class as abstract class, then it needs to be extended. If you declare the abstract interface, then it needs to be implemented. In the next session, I will explain about that what is the difference between class and interface. Okay. Okay. And the abstract class cannot be instantiated. Instantiated means you cannot create the object for the abstract class. You can create the object for the child class. So next is abstract method in Java. So the method which is having the abstract keyword is called abstract method. So abstract class contains both abstract and non-abstract methods, and that abstract methods should be extended or implemented in the child class. Okay. Okay. So this is a simple overview diagram. So Petty Shop is the abstract class and it is getting extended by the fruits and Candice biscuits. Okay. So while I execute the test class, right, it will ask these details. The fruit name, I just give the fruit name, fruit price, and quantity and price and other things. It is dumping the output. After that, that Candice biscuit name also it is getting the input and it is finally printing the output. So I believe you will get the idea about the data abstraction. Hope this example will be helpful for you to understand about the OOPS concept. Thanks for watching this channel. Happy coding. Bye bye.